Hi guys, today I'm back for another video, and today I'm going to be checking the birds and I've got some exciting news. So a lot of the babies are fledged, baby canaries. So yeah, also in this one got the babies that are fledged. We've got 4 in here that are fledged. And here, they're in the nest. 2 females. So yeah. So that's good. Also, in here, I believe she's got babies in here. So I'll let her sit there. Believe she's got babies. So yeah. Now to the budgies. As you can see, here's our this is our 2 budgies here. There's the father, there's the mother, and here is our baby there. So that's very good. Now to this couple here. We've got a male budgie. And there's females there. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. So that's good. Also, as you can see, there's the mother and the father there. And here, we've got babies. I believe there's a few like the mother and there's only 1 like the father with the babies. So yeah. Now to the flight. As you can see, there's 2 baby zebra finches who have fledged there. That's really good. And also, got one sitting there in the food dish. But, you know, hopefully she has eggs or babies. Up here are the other zebra finches. Hopefully we have more coming out. So yeah, now to this flight. The green finch up there. There's the canary, male canary. Also, there's the female canary sitting in the nest. So maybe eggs, maybe she's got a chance of having more eggs for her. So that's good. So yeah. Bye guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.